Our next scenario is the fake IRS email. Imagine this. You're a senior citizen. You open your email and you see a message that appears to be from the IRS. It demands personal information and threatens legal action if you don't comply immediately. This is a classic phishing scam scenario, and today we'll explore how to spot these fraudulent emails and protect yourself. Sam, can you tell us what are some common red flags of phishing emails claiming to be from the IRS?
Absolutely, Alex. One major red flag is the IRS never initiates contact with taxpayers via email. They communicate primarily through regular mail. So, any email claiming to be from the IRS demanding immediate action should raise a red flag immediately. Another common tactic is creating a sense of urgency. Phishers often use threatening language and tight deadlines to pressure you into acting without thinking. Look out for phrases like immediate action required or your account will be suspended. These are designed to scare you into making mistakes. Finally, poor grammar and spelling errors are often a giveaway. The real IRS has professional editors. Phishing emails often don't.
So, if I understand correctly, receiving any email claiming to be from the IRS is suspicious in itself.
Exactly, Taylor. That's the key takeaway. Don't assume it's legitimate just because it looks official.
That's a really important point, Sam. It's like getting a phone call from your bank asking for your account number. They already have that information. Taylor, let's say you receive an email that looks suspiciously like it's from the IRS. How would you go about verifying its legitimacy, besides the fact it's an email?
Well, based on what Sam said about urgency, I would look for those pressure tactics. Also, I'd be wary of any requests for personal information like my social security number or bank details. The IRS won't ask for that over email.
You're absolutely right, Taylor. The IRS will never request sensitive information through email. They also won't ask for PINs, passwords, or similar access information for your financial accounts. Another thing to check is the sender's email address. It likely won't end in .gov, which is the standard for official government websites.
So, we've established that unsolicited emails from the IRS are a red flag. Demanding language is suspicious, and requests for personal information are a no-go. Let's recap those crucial points. Any email claiming to be from the IRS initiating contact is suspicious. Look for high-pressure tactics and poor grammar, and never provide sensitive information via email. Sam, what should someone do if they receive one of these phishing emails?
Forward the message to phishing@irs.gov. This helps the IRS track these scams and take action against the perpetrators.
This is so helpful. I'm thinking about my grandparents. They might fall for this kind of scam. I'll share these tips with them.
That's a great idea, Taylor. Education is key to preventing these scams. And that brings us to our call to action for our listeners. Never click links or provide personal information in response to unsolicited emails claiming to be from the IRS. Forward suspicious emails to phishing@irs.gov. Now, while simply receiving a phishing email isn't necessarily disastrous, clicking a link in one can be. In our next scenario, we'll explore what can happen when someone falls victim to a more sophisticated phishing attack and what you can do to protect yourself.